Alright, you guys, here it is, John's Moto Garage. Charlie's.
Older than I am, aren't you?
What's that?
How tall are you?
5'8"? It does sit tall, dude. For me, it's a little high. Charlie's taking the Lowrider S, and I'm gonna be rolling. He's entrusting me with the Road King Special. This thing is dope. So hit me up at John's Moto Garage on Instagram if you dig the content. Like and subscribe. Ooh, this thing's low, man. This thing actually feels pretty nimble. You get on these things and they look so big, so you'd expect like a big kind of clunky, heavy bike, and right off the bat, man, this thing feels nimble and smooth and refined. Yeah, I forgot how smooth these things are. Now I gotta remember, I got these big saddlebags, so we gotta take it easy. Man, these things are smooth. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go up to the other peak. I don't really have a good feel for how low I can go, so we'll just try to keep up, man. It feels very dialed in and solid. Super responsive. Yeah. All right, he's giving me the go ahead. I gotta remind myself this is not my bike, so gotta take it easy. Alright, dragging a floorboard. Hopefully a floorboard doesn't mean you're dragging the saddlebags there. These things are super smooth. I'm telling you, man, these new M8s, I'm a big fan. Here we are to the summit. This is the ultimate peak. Fire danger, extreme fire warning. Yeah, Arizona's hot, dude. All right, just that short ride on the Road King Special. I'm sorry, you guys, but the new M8s is just ridiculous how much smoother and more refined these bikes are. The shifting smoother, the throttle response is just way on point, and overall, I just am a huge fan of these bikes. I've always said, like, the M8, whether it be the Softail or something like this, I definitely see one of these in the garage in the future, because that thing is just, the word I can use to describe it is refined, man.
That thing's so fun.
Dude, I can't believe how like refined and fine-tuned these bikes are, dude. They're just so seamless, you know what I mean? Super smooth, responsive.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah, like this, I can tell I need to do some suspension work, because it's all like, you know, it kind of jumps around. It's not set up for my weight.
Yeah. Feel comfortable on it then?
On this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you could ride forever on that, man. Super comfortable. If you scrape the floorboards, that doesn't mean you're scraping the saddlebags, right?
No.
Okay. I only scraped it like twice, but it...
You're good. That's the plate on it. I'm not worried about shit like that.
But yeah, dude, the braking on this is on point, man. Everything about it. It's a smooth bike. The Dyna is cool. I like the scene and everything, but I can totally see why. No, it's dope, man.
And the 114 came out, so I had to have it.
Hey, what'd you think on the lowrider?
That thing's gnarly. That thing's super fun.
It's great.
Super torquey too. It really gets.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. You like barely get on it and it's jumping.
I love the way it feels.
Hey, you want?
I love the way it feels.
It is. There's just something different about it, man.
It is. It's not the same kind of bike. It's not the same kind of ride either.
Doesn't it feel a little more like a little more raw, almost?
It does.
You know?
It really does. It really does.
Like
I think the front end mostly.
Yeah.
When the handling up here up front.
Hold on, let me make sure this thing's still filming. Alright, you guys are back in business. I swapped out the battery. And we should be good to roll. We're gonna roll back down. Yeah, that lowrider, or the Road King Special, man. Special bike, dude. I dig it. Oh man, now I need a Road King, bro. It is like the worst place to be trying wheelies.
Yeah, it is.
Alright guys, there you have it, John's Moto Garage, Lowrider S, Road King Special. Such a blast. Big shout out to Charlie. Thanks again, dude. Hit me up at John's Moto Garage on Instagram if you dig the content, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun on the motos. We'll hit you up. Adios, nos vemos.